Hello, dear kids. Today I'm here with the next topic of English grammar, suffix and prefix. So let's start the topic. First of all, we will discuss about prefix. So pre means pehle, means before. A prefix is a group of letters that we add at the beginning of a word. Prefixes are added before words. So means prefixes are those words which we use to form opposite words. For example, able. See, able means capable to do something. But if I add prefix un, then my answer is unable. So means generally why and when we are adding prefixes just to make the words negative. Now see, these all prefixes, they all indicate the negative form of opposite words. See, unable is unable, impossible, impossible, misbehave, misbehave, dis plus honest, dishonest, in plus correct, incorrect, un plus able, un plus well, unwell, ill plus legal, illegal. Okay, so these prefixes are, you can see here, these prefixes are generally add before the words, and you have to remember that prefixes are used always at the beginning of the root word. Prefix itself indicate before. Prefix खुद ही बताता है pre means पहले. So itself it is indicating before means आगे. तो words के आगे जब भी आपको जो add करना पड़े, that is called prefix. Okay. Now the second one is suffix. When we add suffix, now suffix are opposite the prefixes. As we add prefix at the beginning of the sentences, we are adding suffix at the end of the root words. A suffix is a group of words that we add at the end of a word. Suffix are those words which we are adding at the end of the root word. They are added at the end of the word. We use this suffix to form nouns, adjective and adverbs. As I told you about prefixes, that when we are adding prefixes, we are making negative or opposite words. But when we add suffix, then we make nouns, adjectives and adverbs. Let's see some examples. Now the root word is construct plus suffix is ion, so it is, the answer will be construction. Help plus less, it is helpless. Spell plus ing, spelling. Celebrate plus ion, celebration, it became celebration. Okay, so when we are adding suffix at the end, we are making nouns, adjectives and adverbs. But when we are adding a prefix, then we are making opposites and negative words. Okay, now one thing I want to tell you here, like see, celebrate word is here. So when there is a vowel at the end of any word, when we form the word, we remove the e. यहाँ पे हम ई को रिमूव कर देंगे एंड वी विल ऐड द सफिक्स, और सफिक्स को हम उसके साथ ऐड करके वी विल मेक द वर्ड. यू हैव टू रिमूव द वोवल. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज वी फॉर्म नाउन फ्रॉम अ वर्ड एडिंग अ सफिक्स. किस तरीके से हम सफिक्स ऐड करके नाउन्स बनाते हैं. सी दीज आर द सफिक्सेस मेंट, ion, ation and ing. These are the suffixes we can use to make nouns. Move plus ment, it's movement. Now move is a verb here. Suffer plus ing, suffering. Suggest plus ion, suggestion. So these are the nouns. We have formed the noun by using all these three verbs. These all three are verbs. ये तीनों क्या हैं? Verbs हैं. And by using the suffix we have create the We have created the nouns. Now adjectives that we can form by adding suffixes: full, less, able, ous and ish. Harm plus full, harmful. Care plus less, careless. Accept plus able, acceptable. Glory plus us, glorious. Self plus ish, selfish. Rally plus able, reliable. See, when y is there at the end of the sentence, we will remove this and add I instead of y. Okay, see, glory is there and ous there, so we will remove y and use here I. Glorious. Then really, y is there, we will remove y and add here I. Really well. Okay, next is words that end with e, drop it and add suffix. Those words which end with e, will drop it and add a suffix, like reduce plus tion. So it will be, e will be removed from here, and reduction, tion, we will add here. Produce, we will drop the e and we will make it production. Delete plus tion, so it's a deletion. So you can see here that we have removed e. So whenever there is e at the end of the word, we will drop it and add the suffix to create the new word. I hope you are clear with suffixes and prefixes. So here I have a list of suffix and prefix for you. Write them in your fair notebook. Don't write the rules in your notebook, just write the prefix and suffix in your notebook. Okay, thank you.